Here is a wonderful 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Handsome and versatile, this Santa Fe brings ease and comfort to your busy lifestyle. This midsize crossover SUV offers a spacious, family-friendly cabin, available all-wheel drive, the latest safety and infotainment tech, including standard driver assistance features and stylish modern looks. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, hands-free liftgate, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, power passenger seat, satellite radio, power driver seat. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.